Hello, Karsten, my old friend. Don't talk to me again, because I know that you are creeping in the ghost sense while they are sleeping. Remember when I stole your Baku wood behind your back? Hope you're not mad, 'cause you make the sound of Karsten. In Anasazi you walked alone, when you blowed about yourself we moaned. Why did you even come to work for this camp? You claim you did it for the college act. Then my stomach was stabbed by the flash of your carving knife. We're filled with frights. That is the sound of Karsten. And in his creepy boat I saw 10,000 drawings, maybe more. Violent drawings and satanic stuff. Edgy rappers, please, we had enough. And the story of your murderous thoughts you shared, we were all scared. It was the sound of Karsten. When asked to do some work he said no, as the darkness in his heart would grow. In his tent he slept the whole day through, to avoid his job while suspicion grew. Threats to everyone cut the air. This night contains the sound of Karsten. We all bowed and prayed, hoping we would all be saved. And then we flashed out his warning that Karsten would no longer be working. And they chase him down and take his knives. He saved our lives.